Hello everyone, I hope you can hear me. Yes, you are. Hello, and thank you spending your time on the Sunday evening. So we're gonna start like in a few minutes. Now I will prepare my desktop. So I need my pure ref because I already forgot what we did already like 1 week ago, and I will load the images from this project. So, can you hear me? Just write something in the comments to understand everything okay. I will load now my project. So, the private house, open. Okay, I hope I'm ready. Just let me know, can you hear me? And we will start. Okay, thanks. Thank you guys. Because I remember when I did my first stream, I forgot about the voice and this was terrible. Anyway, so what we're gonna do today, my topic for today, my plan actually, or roadmap as you want. The first thing, we will create the windows. So we did the curtain windows, but today we will create just simple one, the basic one. Anyway, we will change it, we will create some new types. So we will work with this thing. After that, I will create the balcony, because in this side and that side we have the balcony, so we will create the balcony. Also, I will create some decals. I mean, we will create something like this thing. You can find it here. So we will create some component in place, so in our model. What else? I will try to figure out about the doors, but if we will have time. So let's start from the window. I don't wanna spend your time. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is really cool for me. So what we're gonna do now? First, I will choose the site where we'll start to place the window. So as you can see here, everything clear about window, and we can start from this wall. I will find this wall. You can see it here. This is our wall. I will start from that wall. Okay, so we need three types of the window. As you see, we have here that two types of the window. We have it here, the two types. Actually, it looks same, and even the size. Okay, yes, size the same, and I think this is toilet window. So let's start from the biggest one. First I will check. So this is my upper level. I will check where is the placed. Yeah, this is toilet window, as you see. Okay. Here a bit strange. No, it's not strange. The frames we can open, one we cannot open. Okay, anyway, let's start it. So we need some window. I will check, do I have any kind of window? If I don't have, I will load and I will change it. So I have here some double window, but I think it's not what we want. We need 3 windows. So I will load up it. I will go to insert and I will find the load family. I have a pretty big library with the families. Sometimes I'm trying to share with you guys. Okay, so is my Revit. Okay, and I need the window. Okay, let's see what I have here. Yes, I have the one. Let's open up. But anyway, I should change it because this is window not for this project. Where is this window? It's here. And as you see, yes, I will go to the plan view. I need the plan view upper ground floor, and I think I will delete this. No, I will place it near with this project, and I don't want to see what's going on under this level. So let's switch off here the underlay, just switch off the none. Done. Here my window, I will delete it, I don't need it now. Something strange actually, I will check it with the window. Oh, this is going from the first level. Okay, I will attach it and we'll delete some of the elements. Okay, now everything okay, but what's going on with this one? I think because we don't have here the... No, we have it. Strange things. Anyway, let's attach it. Join elements. I don't like this thing. Okay, we will prepare it later on. So now about the window. So here is my window as you see, and let's place it. We already placed our window and not wrong side. Now everything okay. So here is my window. What we're gonna do next? Next I need to check the where is it first, because we are okay, wait. Done. Just thinking. Okay, here we have the bigger window. As you see, it's like 2.5 meter by 150 or maybe 160. Let me see. I have here now the window. Ah, yeah, it's totally small. Let's make it like 160. And oh no, not this one. Sorry. Cannot change this system family. Oh, that's why, of course. Yeah, no, it's already the 160. Let's make it like 2, 1. Let's make it huge. Bye, bye. Like this. Okay, now it's really what I want. I will leave this window. Let's go to the our plan view, and first we will prepare how it's located here. I will use the dimensions, and I'll connect to the wall, so between the walls. So let's put our dimension here, and now I can see here I have like 3000 something, here 2000 something. Let's make equal. So now we did it more, I would say it more right, you can say. Okay, so I will copy this window now, or I will place new one. Let's place it new one, and now we have the same problem. I will switch the position. You can switch by this trigger, or you can use the space bar. I will use the space bar, and after that I will prepare my dimension. I'm using the tab to change the H, and here I will also change the position by tab key. And let's show our dimension, and as you see it's kind of the same, but it's kind of, we want to make it totally same. Now everything cool, and I'll say okay. And here we are, we need the smallest one window, not smallest one, the other type of the window, and we will create from the standard one. I will choose this one, I'll put it here, and I'll change direction. So what we're gonna do with this window, actually we need to change the weight of the window. And as you see, I did a 3D section, and it's not cool, because if I will extend this side, I will cut my wall, but I don't want to do that. I will go to my Revit. I will find 3D box, orient by few section box, this one, and I will just show to which face the section box should be oriented. Now everything okay, and I can work. Let's do like this. Okay, awesome. What's going on here? Actually it's the half of this height. It's like 1 meter by 1.5 meters, maybe 1.7. Let's check it. I will do the new one. I will duplicate, and let's see, it's like 1000 meter by no, it's 1007. by 1000, like this. So here the 1000, here 1000, oh, here nothing, here 300 as before, and here the 1700. Yes, okay. So yes, this is what I want. Hello, I'm really happy to see you. Okay, so what's going on the next we need to change the height of this window. As you see here, the seal height, we should change it's like 1600, maybe. We will see about that. I think it's too much, but let's check the other window. No, it's not too much, it's even not enough. So I will use the command align because it will be more faster, like this. I just using this corner to put this corner a bit up. So, and if we will go now in 3D, I will just switch off the my section box. You will see we placed our first window and everything now okay. So, and I find what the problem with this wall. As you see, we have the edit profile. So I did wrong. I will reset it. And I will make it smaller, like this. Okay, now I will choose that one and let's connect to this one. Okay. Yes, yeah, we should do something. Okay, so let's go to our plan, and as you see now we don't have here any line. So what the next? Next we need to create the other type window. I think we will create that one. This is like half the window, half the doors. So we will use the curtain wall for that one, and it's like 99. So it's 1400, maybe 600. Let's see. So we need to go to the ground floor. So where's our window? The first question. Our door, sorry. Yeah, the door. Here. I can see it here. And on the ground floor, it's located around that side. Let's check our drawings. Yeah, it is here. Actually, here the only one door it can be open. But if we will check if we will check some pictures, we can see these two doors. No, it's really only one, and maybe it's fixed up. Yes, it's fixed. Okay, it's my wrong. Okay, let's do it. It's here, and I will go to the architecture wall, and I will find my storefront, and let's draw our window here. Okay, here we are. I will choose my door. I will go to my section box. I prefer to work with section box. So, and as you see, this is totally big. We don't need that. So let's change the our top offset to the 0, and it's still so much big. So I will do like this, like minus maybe 1200, and it will be okay. No, it's not enough. Maybe minus 1000. So this is what I want. And let's check how many windows we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we have also the 4. This is like 1700 or 500, and this is 3 meters. So our doors, our window around 3 meters. Now I'll go to the plan. Oh, actually no, I don't have any experience in MEP, but I didn't know how they work in Revit, you know, because they should use the robot to prepare the drawings, right? So I don't use and never I trying the robot, so I don't know. Are you architecture or are you engineer? Because I think before you are you architecture. So let's change to 3 meter. Oh, it's not enough even. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, like this. And where is my dimension? I want from that side and from this corner. And let's make 3 meter too. No, it's 3 meter not enough. Like this. Okay, let's back to 3D and let's check the side. Like this. I will use command align, and as you see, this is that lower side. It's same equal to the our staircase. Let's make it same. Okay, like this and like this. What about the top one? Top one, it's not. Top one, it's around here, around quarter. So now I will change my top side, maybe minus 2500. Who knows? Yes, and we did right. I think we even can make like 300. Like this. Why not? So let's prepare that. Here now we have, as you see, only 3 window, but we should have like 4. I will go to the edit type and I will create new one, and I will say like this is storefront exterior window, and let's say this is number 2, because we have so many other exterior windows. Okay, the vertical grid at 1500 we will change to the 1000, let's say, and 1 2 3 4 5, not too much. We will change the maximum space to the number, because we know like we should have only 1, and here I will leave like as it is. So let's change it to 3. Yes, we did it. And let's change this window to the other panel. I think we already have the some doors. I will check it. If not, I will load. Yeah, we have, but we have this double door. So I will load up the other one. Let's go back and door. Yeah, it is. Okay, and let's change this to this one. So we have the door. Let's go to our ground floor, and as you see, we get our door here, and it's kind of on the same position. No, our door is oriented it's wrong oriented. Let's change the position. Yes, we did it. Okay. So I think, yeah, this pad is going lower, because here we have the staircase. I forgot already about that. So let's make it a bit lower. I will go again to the 3D. And let's make it. I will use command align. Oh, and as you see, I'm also changing that one. I don't want to change it actually. I think I did it here like union. Yes. Oh no, everything okay, everything alright. Sorry, it's my mistake. We will do like this. Okay. And now I will just use the wall attach. Like this. A bit hard to work with this type of the home, because it's looks like simple, but not simple like you think. Okay, I'm studying. No man, it's not if you are working in Revit, it's not only in MEP, it's architecture too. But you know, I tell you about my situation. In my situation, not any engineer working in Revit, they still working in AutoCAD. I know this is terrible situation, but in UK it's a bit different. In UK it's not different. It's totally different. Most of the people in UK working engineer in Revit. This is really strange. I don't know why it's like this. I think it's only about the government rules. It's only about that. Don't change to the engineer, because if you are architecture, you are able to know the engineer things. But if you are an engineer, you're not able to know the architecture things, because I would say engineer guy don't have any practice in architecture, and I mean in design. But you can get any experience in design, in engineer things, whenever you want, actually. Okay, so we have here some problem. I will hide that one, and here will be our staircase, because as you can see, this is the going like this, and here we have something like a wall. Here we have the staircase, and this is pad. It's actually lower than that one. So terrible when I don't have any the elevations here. Even I don't have any sections. It's really terrible. So let's connect that one, and I will align all of that thing like this, like this. Okay, unswitch this section box, and now we did it. So what the next we should create the other type of the window. Let's check where we don't have any window. Oh, you can see on this side we don't have any window, like 1 2 3 4. This is here. So the two window we have here, so we can create one here and just copy it on the other side. I will do it now, right now. Let's go to the ground floor, and first I need our plan again. Let's go to the plan. Here our ground floor, and here this our window. I will find it here. Okay, so let's go to the architecture, and again we will choose window. Let's choose the other type of the window. This is new one, and before I want to check our height of this window. So let's place it like this, and let's go again to 3D. Everything about 3D. Welcome. Just from my experience, you know. Let's check it out. Okay, like this. And what is going on here? Actually, it's near to that one. Ground floor. And I think oh, this is strange. Okay, I don't know why, guys, but my window was moved. Okay, I will change the position. Maybe I did mistake. I don't know. Let's go to 3D now. Everything okay. It was strange why it's like this. Anyway, so here we have the window, and let's make it like 2100. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 2100. Here we are. And let's extend our section box like this. And now I will copy this window. Like, select your window, copy it, and paste align levels, and we need upper ground floor. And here the our window. It's looks like it's a bit higher, so I will do it by align like this. So now everything okay. So let's unswitch our section box, and we will create the other windows. These two windows. It looks like three windows of that type. One without glazing, but we will use for that type curtain wall. Yeah, most of the windows I am creating with the curtain wall, because curtain wall you can control, you can change any panel, and you don't need to replace your family to the other type. So let's create it. Oh, just the plan. Okay, where is it? So actually this is first floor. No, this is, yeah, first floor is here. Okay, this is, yes, it's our kitchen. So this is kitchen, and let's go to the ground floor. And I think it's here. I don't have any plan here. Okay. Yes, it is. Okay, so it looks like 999. I think it's like 3 meter. Anyway, let's choose the wall. Again, storefront, and let's create our wall here. We need only 3 of that. Let's choose the other type, that one, and here we're able to change to 3 panel, like this. I say it's 3 panel. Oh, sorry. If you want 3 panel, you should write 2 panel. This kind of strange thing, but you should do that. And of course we have the huge one window, and we will change it now, like this. Just no, wait, I want, oh my god, I want this one. Don't. Okay, more smaller. Let's check it, like, and maybe a bit smaller, like this. Let's extend, and let's see our pictures. Okay, so we should have the same position, same height position, and this one. So I will use again our lovely tool, the align, and here we'll, oh sorry, and here we will align too. So now I know everything okay. Hi Faisal. So what the next? Why I'm using the curtain wall every time? As I said, I can replace any panel just with I don't know, like 2 clicks only. And let's change to the solid one. Done. As you see, we have here the solid. Actually, it's not solid. I think this is grid. But if you want, we can create the grid one. So let's create this window. And actually, this window, the standard one, what we did, that one. And we'll just place it somewhere here. First, I wanna check the height, and after that, we will change the position. Okay, so like this. Yeah, really, something happened with our window. I mean, with our curtain window. I don't know, in the previous video we did it, everything was right, but now it's something strange. Okay, I will change it later on. But terrible guys thing. So I will place it window here, sorry. And I will use a line to align it. Let's check it's on the middle. I think it's somewhere here. Okay, so we did it. The next thing what we're gonna do today, so I not will create all the windows. You understand how to create window, you understand how to replace it, how to change the dimensions, and maybe how to change the type of the window. If you don't know, just check my previous video in my channel. We will create now the something like that one, that things, but we will use the component in place. So most of you don't using the component in place because don't know how to do that. I will show you just simple things. For example, here on this side on the roof, we will create something like the corner. So let's go to model and component and model in place. Here we are, and let's say this is wall, because this is part of the wall, and we can say this is wall. Actually it's not, but anyway. Okay, so yeah, and if we will go to the create, you will see here so many tools. Maybe you will think it's not enough, but just trust me, it's more than enough. We will use only the sweep now today. So let's use sweep now, and let's sketch the path, but not sketch, we will use the pick the path. And what I'm gonna do now, I will just pick my corners like this, corners of my roof, actually the wall, but I mean the roof side. Now I will use trim, and I will trim my path. So let's trim it here. When I say trim, I mean like we should connect that side and that side, so we should don't have any gap between two lines, like this. Let's check it, everything okay. So, and now I will use my lovely command align, and it's not working here. Anyway, let's do like this. It should work, but it's not. Okay, I will use this one commands, trim and extend, so we can extend our line, our wall to the any surface or to the any line. So I'm using I just choose the surface until this line. You can see now my line going till this panel, and I need one more line here. Let's pick the edges. I will use again trim, command TR, and now I need prepare my line. Now everything okay. So you mean did I have any drawing lectures, or did I do or you mean like have I been like lecturer? Sorry, I didn't get. So we have this thing now, as you see, and this is really important thing because this is our work plane. We will create our profile on this work plane. I will say now yes, and it's able to sketch our profile on this work plane. So, and we will do that. First I will set my work plane, I will pick it. I think we can create it right now. So let's do it, and as you see, we're working now on this work plane. So let's draw our profile here. So as you see, it's not useful to draw correct your profile. That's why I'm saying you guys use the PyRevit. Let's go to the PyRevit, and it cannot use because we are now in modify sweep. Okay, let's create it now something, and we will prepare after that. I will create like this. Sorry, wait, hold on a few seconds, guys. And girls, maybe, who knows. Okay. So, we did it. And now we need to create something like this one. But we will create more interesting, because we are architects, we know how to do better, right? Okay, I'm kidding. 300. Here we'll create line like this, here like this, and here like this. Let's make it like that. I will use again trim. First I will show you what we will get. So I think we are done, and let's say okay. And let's say again okay. And as you see, we get decoration for our wall, for our roof if you want. And you can create any type of the profile. You can make your facade more interesting, or you can make like some complex thing, because sometimes you cannot use the basic tools from the Revit. You can use the component in place and do whatever you want. Actually, sometimes when you, for example, if I will go inside to this one, you can see model in place, so I can put the other, for example, sweep. I can use, for example, sweep and blend, and I can make the voids. And after, when I'll say okay, this will be like one object. So this is really cool. When I start lecture, so this video we start like 1 hour ago, but if you're asking about the lectures in Revit, it starts like 2 years ago or 3 years ago, but I don't have any video to upload it on YouTube. I'm sorry. Okay, so I said before about the PyRevit, so let's go to the PyRevit, and you will find here again 3D, and you can find it here orient to face. So what does it mean? It cannot be, wait, it can be, it can't be, what's going on? I don't know what's going on because I'm on 3D view, but PyRevit thinking like I'm not on 3D view. Okay, just forget about it. So we did it, this thing. Let's create now our rail. Wait, I will check what we should create today. We should create, so first we should create the column. Let's create the column, because here we have the column, but I didn't do it. What is that? Something today everything is ruined. I don't know what's going on. Okay, anyway, yes, column. Let's go to the first level. I'm in the ground floor, and yeah, here we are, and I need the underlay the second level. Oh, this is upper ground floor. So, and here we have the column. If we will go to the pictures of our building, you can see here we have the column. So let's place our column here, exactly in the same position. So I will use the architecture column, and here I have the something, but I will change it. I will place it, and I will use command align. I will align it, and first I need to understand about the thickness. So it's 675. Let's change it. 675. Oh, I did wrong. You see, I didn't change it. But anyway, we don't have so many time. You should change first, and create the new type, and after that you should change dimension. So I will rename just that one 75 by 75. Let's say okay. I will use again a line. Oh, sorry. Like this. Now everything okay. What? You mean the what I have on my toolbar, right? I mean the add-ons. Nothing much. I have here the G-Revit. It's you able transfer your work from Rhino to the Revit. So I have the format. I think everyone know the format. This is bad copied the program from Autodesk. Actually, it's like SketchUp. Okay, and I have the bonus tool. Bonus tool have the 4 tabs, as you see, but I don't have now any license to the bonus tool because I didn't pay, like 3 months I didn't pay for that. And I have the PyRevit, it's totally free. If you know the Python, you can create any scripts by using this PyRevit. Of course, I have the Lumen, and I have the site designer. I think I will do the lesson about the file for site designer, because most of you don't know, like for the 2019 we have the new site designer, and it's work really cool. So, and that's it. Don't have any much things. But I really like recommend you using the PyRevit. It's a really cool thing. You can create even your own script if you want. Okay, let's make it a bit bigger. I think let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 1.5 meter. Let's check it. Yes, it's 1.5 meter. And I'll change the name to this 1.5 meter, like this. Abdullah, thank you for you, not for me. Faisal, if you want about working drawings, just please text me to my email. I mean, email me. And send me some examples of your work. I mean, you are students, as I know, as I understand, right? If you are students, I just wanna see like what the kind of type of drawing you want, because I have some detailed drawings from 2010 or 2012, and I can make like a small lesson about that. Actually, site designer it's only for the Autodesk 2015 and 2017. But Autodesk did a bit tricky thing. If you want to get to 2019, you should have the account and at the Autodesk site. If you don't have the account there, you cannot download the 2019. This is pretty shit. Okay, we did it. So, and let's make it a bit high, because it looks like not right. So minus 1200, base offset minus 1200. Let's do it. And here we are. Here is our column. Of course, we can change the material of our column. We can go inside and change any material. Let's change material to some default, for example. Let's make it. Where is my default material? Oh, no, I don't want a mass. I want actually to make some white material, and let's use some gypsum wall board. Why not? Okay, so we did it. So what we did today? We did the window. We did the our sweep. I mean this thing. Yeah. We did the column, and I'm also to do. I have the planning to make balcony on the second level. And I think in 20 minutes we will finish our small stream, our Sunday vanilla stream. Why not? Actually, guys, if you are new here, I'm doing the stream every week, and the Sunday or Saturday. If you want to know something about the Revit, if you want to see how to work in Revit, welcome, and you will see how we working in Revit. And I'll happy to introduce you how working Revit and how you can work in this. So the touch targets, and let's make it minus 400. Okay, and this kind of, actually I did wrong when I did it because I don't like this this wall. Okay, I will split this wall away here. Now we have two different wall. Sorry. Yes, now we have two different wall, and I will do this wall 0. constraint to okay, and I will use align, and I cannot align. Something wrong with this. I know what's going on. Okay, was my wrong. Okay, and again align. And boundary, and let's change it. Let's say okay. Delete elements. So, and here we have the balcony. As I know, as I understand, we have here the balcony. You can see it here. This is this side. And if we will go to the front view, with our front view, not this one. This one. Under the trees, you can see we have here the again curtain wall and the door or window. I think it's, yes, this is window. We will create only railings now and this sweep, and that's it. No man, I'm not number one. This is not my goal to be number one. If you will say like you are best teacher, this will be better. Okay, so let's go to the upper ground floor, and here we are. Here is our kind of the path, and I'll create our railings. Let's create the railings, and I will use, for example, this peak line, and we will use offset like 300. So you will see why. Now when I'm placing, I will choose the this edge. You can see dash line, so it means our line will be here. And we can just forget about the offset because we are using this thing. And here we have something like this. Okay, let's say okay, and it seems okay. Let's say okay. Let's go to 3D again because I'm still working in 3D. And here our thing, but actually, as you see, we have here the wall. And yeah, it's not so much extended on this border, and I will change it. Just edit the path, and let's change it like this. Okay, and let's say okay. Now everything alright. And let's make a sweep. I really like sweep. Let's go inside. I think I will I will edit that one, and I will create the new sweep in this side. Just pick the edges, pick this edge, this, and use the trim. Trim here. And what the next? We need the trim and extend. Now, like this. Okay. And let's create our profile. Actually, you can create the profile family and you can load it inside the project and use it if you want. If you are too lazy, like I am, you can create inside the project. So let's create our profile, something like this, and let's use the trim, and I'll delete this line, and let's say okay, and again okay, and as you see, we get our profile here. It's actually not like this here, the only square one, but we want to do something interesting, and here we should place some windows. But I think I will do it only only next time, not now. I should prepare something here. Okay, and I think that's it for today, guys. So, do you have any questions? Maybe you want to see something, just ask me. So, this is question time. So, let's make like small Q&A, and we will finish. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. I think like we will finish this project maybe in 3 3 or 4 lessons. No, in 3 lessons we will finish it, and after that I will do the I will do like extra tutorials, only extra tutorials. Everything for free, no worries. Actually, it's not the trick. You know, once I meet the guy from the Autodesk, and I asked about the view templates. I not remember what I asked him about that, and he said like it's not wrong. This is how he said. This is feature. I said no, it's wrong. He said no, any wrongs, it's feature. So I wanna show you what I'm doing right now. I'm like who watching my streams. You are like most pleasure my followers, and I will show you with what I'm working. Thank you, Ali. Yeah, by the way, guys, this is model. When I will upload the stream to the YouTube, you will be able to download this model. I mean, when I will finish the stream, and maybe tomorrow you will able to download this model. So no need start from the zero. You can download that one and start working from that model. So I'm making your life more easy, and I think this is like motivate you work with Revit more properly. No, I'm not doing the MEP here because, as I said, I really don't know very well MEP, and I don't wanna lie you guys. Like, as I said, one day I'm spending to understand what is that, and the second day I'm showing to you. No, this is bad idea. I think to introduce you MEP, it should some professional guy, not me. I am architect. My background is about architects. So it's still loading, but anyway, like 5 minutes and we will finish. But before we will finish, I will show you what I'm working with. What I'm working right now. I think it's also interesting will be for you, but as I understand, you guys interesting more like some concept thing. I mean the concept building, how to create some concept to the shape, messing, and other things. Okay, so I will save this project. So I will create like new type of the save. Residential house 02. And let's say okay. Sorry guys, it's still loading. It takes time. What I did, I'm actually doing now the room in Unreal Engine 4. So one of my next tutorial will be about how to create your room. For example, how you create your room in Revit, and after that export to the Unreal Engine, and how to create the like walk through the video or even small game. I hope it will be interesting for you. Yes, you need, because I just like 3 days ago I have tested Lumen 9. Man, it's really crazy because actually it's same Lumen like Lumen 6, Lumen 7, 8, but they taking the power, I mean from your GPU, so a lot, really a lot. I have the GTX 1080 Ti, and still it's not enough. I not understand why they don't optimize the Lumen. It's really strange things. Even when I'm working with V-Ray or when I'm working with Corona, I don't have so much problems like in Lumen. Even Unreal 4 doesn't ask me any powerful the GPU. but Lumen, it's really crazy thing. So wait, it's still loading. I'm sorry. I just thinking like I will show you fast, but it takes time. So maybe I will show you something about the. Okay, I will show you something about the tricks. Do you know how working this panel? I think don't know. Most of you don't know how the working panel. As you see here, I have the underlay, right? I will switch off. So we don't see now anything above this level. But now if I will change to the, for example, second floor. Oh, sorry, this is underground floor, and let's do this one. You can see this is wall, and I'm able to select this wall. So, but sometimes you are afraid to make some mistakes. For example, you are just searching, browsing your project, and you just move it. If you are afraid that, just switch off this thing, select underlay elements. And now you're not able to select this element. So, this was tricky thing from Nico. Thank you. Okay, so let's do like this. I will find the people who really knows the MEP, and maybe I will do something. I will try to make something, okay? But it will take time. It's not it's not saying like I will do it tomorrow. Maybe I will take like 3 weeks or 2 weeks. Let's say like this, okay? So guys, it's still loading. Do you have any questions today? It's not a lot of the people watching me, so I'm not popular anymore. I'm sorry. Hold on. Just checking the time. So we are streaming already like 1 hour. I think you're already tired. Yeah, it's but you know most of the people don't know how to work this panel really. I'm not kidding. For example, now I can able to select my floor, right? But some of the people like calling me and saying like, Nico, please, can you help me? I cannot select my wall because they have like switch off the select elements by face, and of course they cannot select this this floor because the face of the floor here, and you cannot select that. Of course you can make the corner if you will target it, so like this, but most of the people don't know that. Okay, finally guys, I did it. So let's go inside the project and I will show you the something what I'm working now. If it will load it up. No, it's not will load it up. Maybe later on when I will finish. So it takes time. Okay guys, thank you for your watching. Now I think it's stream it's off, and don't forget just make the like, comment, whatever. Sometimes check the Patreon, check the store. I know this is like advertising, but this is my motivation actually. And thank you guys so much. I think we will see you soon. After tomorrow I will post new video, just check it out. And see you soon. Nico, gaming graphics card work? I tell you true. Gaming cards is pretty equal to the Quadra. Quadra actually Quadra working nice with the professional working the programs, like for example Inventor, like 3ds Max, this kind of the programs. But graphic cards is also good for the work. As I said, my workstation at my work we are using GTX 1080 Ti, so we are not playing. But anyway, IT guy, they think this is a really good choice, so I think they're right. So to Lumen, yes, this is great choice. It will be using 1080 Ti, but if you don't have money, you of course can use 1060. It's also the good video card. to lumen, it's most important have the GB of GPU. For example, from 6 GB of GPU. Because when you will place the trees, it will take the memory from your GPU. So, thank you, Arif. So that's it, I think, today, and thank you guys for watching. We will see you soon, and bye bye.